Hey everyone, Derek Dombrowski with WFCO here. Today we're going to go back to the basics. We're going to show you how to identify a blown fuse on your WFCO fuse board. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and intentionally blow this 15 amp fuse down here. I'm going to do that by shorting out to my negative. As you can see, when I short out that 15 amp fuse, I'm getting a red LED. Every WFCO fuse board has a blown fuse, or what we call an open circuit indicator. So when you have a blown fuse and the red light is on, that means you have a load present and that fuse is blown. If you turn the load off, or let's say you turn the light switch off, remove that wire, the fuse is still blown, but that red light will go away. Alright, now we're going to show you how to go ahead and test to see if you have a good or bad fuse. First thing you want to do is reference your DC negative with one probe of your voltmeter, have it on DC volts. Then we're going to go to the hot side of the fuse. That would be the left hand side. You're going to see full voltage on that left hand side, 13.7 volts. A good fuse, you would have the same voltage on the right hand side, is what we call the load side. When we put on the load side, we see two things. I get a red LED and my voltage is much lower. That is the indication of a bad fuse. Another couple ways you can test for a blown fuse is by removing it from the fuse board and just visually looking at it. Inside that fuse, you should see a nice break down the center. A break in the center would mean that fuse is blown. If you want to use your multimeter, you can turn it to continuity. If the fuse was good, you would have continuity and you would hear a loud buzz. When I test the blown fuse, I test metal to metal on both prongs of the fuse. I do not hear that buzz, therefore we're getting an OL on my meter. That means there is no continuity and that fuse is bad. Alright, so the video we shot today was to help you guys identify a blown fuse. If you guys have any more questions, you can look at our website at wfcotech.com.